Hello everyone, today I'd like to share a lesson plan with you for my secondary 1 student for my reading classes. I'm going to use English as a second language and then I will use a reading passage about your preferred learning style. And then you can see auditory learner, visual learner and kinesthetic learner. I'm going to use just short reading method. Before I use the textbook, I will need a paper, activity paper with my student to survey their understanding and then to know what kinds of learner are they, what is their learning styles, things like that. So that I will need a learning style inventory. I can get it from the resource book. Okay, hello guys. Before I go to my reading passage, I want you to fill in the blank for these papers. Sorry, not fill in the blank. You are going to answer yes or no questions. 30 questions. I will give you 3 minutes to do that. You are going to answer yes or no only. After that, please count all the yes questions. Okay? Because at the back of the paper, you will see the descriptions of the visual learner, auditory learner, and kinesthetic learner. They are going to count all the yes from different numbers and then they are going to list down here. Then only when they get the total amount, they can see what kinds of learner are they. Okay, so I will spend 10 or 15 minutes on the papers. Well, now I can move to my reading passage. Before I go to my reading passage, I want to form groups, 3 different groups. So here I have 18 students, so I can use the 6 for one reading, 1 for auditory, 1 for kinesthetic, 1 for visual learners. Okay, so here I will count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember your numbers, okay? Are you all ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here all the one, could you please stand up and go to the corner and you are going to read visual learner topic. Okay, all the 2, go to the back corner and you are going to read kinesthetic learner. All the 3, you are going to use visual learner topic and read there silently for a while. I'll give you 5 minutes. Individually, you are going to read in detail because after that, I have to do an activity with you. Any questions? No? Okay, thank you so much. So could you please stand up? All the 1, 2, 3. And then I will give you 5 minutes. Stand up and read individually your own topic only. This group, you are not going to read visual and kinesthetic. This group, you are not going to read auditory and visuals. You are going to read kinesthetic. Any questions so far? No. Thank you so much. Okay, I can spend 7 or 8 minutes for them to read carefully their own topic. Okay, 7 minutes. Okay, time's up. What I want you to do is in your groups again, I will give you 2 minutes. What I want you to do is you are going to discuss what you have read, what you understand, and how do you want to explain to other groups. Because after this activity, after 2 minutes, you are going to move to other groups and explain what you have read. And you can come up with the questions if you don't understand, even in your group. Okay, can you do that for a while? 2 minutes, start, go. Okay, I will spend 2 minutes for them to read and discuss again in your group, same group. Okay, then I'm going to take out the students from one group, one from one group, and to form another different group to make reading passages, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. They are like reading passage because in the textbook there are 3 different learning styles, so that I want to make a reading passage. Okay guys, could you please listen to me? I want John, Henry, and Hazel. You are going to meet there for a while, and then Hazel 2 and John 2 and James, you are going to meet there, and then I will form another 6 small little groups to make the reading passages. Okay, here now you are in a group of 3 members. what I want you to do is, you are from kinesthetic, you are from visual, you are from auditory, and then what I'm going to do now is, you will take turn to explain your own topic to your friend. In there, the rest of the two, you can ask the question if you don't understand. You got it? Any questions? No. Okay, thank you so much. Now, are you ready? Okay, good. Ready, steady, go. I will give you 3 minutes to discuss about that. While they are discussing, I want to explain why I am doing this. Because by doing this, they can improve their listening skills. They will speak out. They will improve their questioning skills. No, this is not the skills, but they can ask the question so that they can improve do or test question, or is or are or am questions. Because here, the language focus is about do this to make a questions. By doing this, they will ask the question by using do or test before I taught them before. Okay, time's are gone. Okay, now this is my turn to make sure whether they really understand their friends' explanations and their own topic. Okay, guys, here all the kinesthetic people from different group are going to be quiet. Okay, I want to ask the kinesthetic questions. What is kinesthetic learners? And then they will come up with their answers, the way they think. And another group, okay, all the visuals, you are going to be quiet. Okay, what is visual learners? The rest of the two, you are going to answer me what is visual learners. By doing this, I can check their understanding. After that, I will let them to sit in their seat. Okay, guys, you are not going to go back to your own place. Just sit wherever you are, just sit down, and I'm going to give A4 paper for each of them. What I want you to do is, you are going to write them down as per the ideas, then maybe notes from what you have learned and what you have listened and what you have understood. Any questions? Okay, on the paper, they are going to use the papers and then write down their sentences about visual, kinesthetic, and auditory learners. They can come up with their ideas, all ideas, or they can copy from the, not copy, they can refer from the book. Okay, then I can stick these papers around the class. Okay, well, after that, I can do listening and reading from the textbook, because there is a listening CD track about teachers and the students. They are discussing about their learning styles. Then I can finish my lesson by giving them writing. What I want you to do is, okay, here you have 15 minutes left. In your writing book, I want you to write down all the things that you really understand, and then all the things what you have listened from your friends. You must have 10 to 15 sentences in your book. Okay, there's no right or wrong answer, there's no arranged answer. You can write whatever you like. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you so much. After that, I can finish my lesson by giving homework. If I cannot finish in a period, within a 50 periods of time, then I will finish. I will uncover speaking, listening, and writing, and also listening too. So I think that's enough for my students for 15 minutes class. Thank you so much, everybody.